Here's Sylvia.
No, it's not yours.
Yeah, it says Sylvia. Isn't that beautiful wrapping paper?
It's Sylvia's.
That's right. Can you open it, Sylvia?
Oh, yeah, I can do that. How do you do this?
Okay, let me help you. I'll use the knife here. Step over here just a little bit. Oh, pretty, huh? Okay.
I will open the rest.
You gonna help Sylvia?
Cheese!
Cheese. Cheese. How old are you, Sylvia?
2.
You're 2, huh? What is it? Sylvia's present from Uncle Frank and Aunt Anastasia.
It's a puzzle.
What puzzle?
It's a puzzle. Can I take that off?
Oh boy, look at that. Look at all, hold on, let's look at all the different animal shapes it has. What do you see on there, Sylvia?
A fun